Mr. Cartoon Joy. Learn the alphabets. Hi, kids. Welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today, we're going to learn the ABCs together. Are you ready? Let's start. A.
A for apple. A for airplane. A for ant. B. B for ball. B for bat. B for banana. C. C for cat. C for cake. C for cup. D. D for duck. D for donkey. D for dolphin. E. E for egg. E for elephant. E for eagle. F. F for frog. F for fish. F for fan. G. G for giraffe. G for grapes. G for guitar. H. H for hamburger. H for hat. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for island. I for insect. J. J for jellyfish. J for juice. J for jam. K. K for kite. K for king. K for key. L for lemon. L for lollipop. L for lamp. M. M for monkey. M for mango. M for mountain. N. N for nest. N for nut. N for nurse.
O. O for octopus. O for orange. O for owl. P. P for panda. P for pizza. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Q for question mark. R. R for rainbow. R for robot. R for rocket. S. S for sun. S for snake. S for sandwich. T. T for tree. T for train. T for turtle. U. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U for uniform. V. V for vegetables. V for van. V for volcano. W. W for watermelon. W for window. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. X for X marks the spot. Y. Y for yellow. Y for yo-yo. Y for yolk. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Z for zipper. Thanks for watching.